Maths Math book. We can continue exercise 6.1. Without adding, find the sum. See here, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. These are odd numbers. What is the sum of first n odd natural numbers? Previous class we discussed already. What is the sum of first n odd natural numbers? N square. Okay, n is the number of odd numbers. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers are there. So 5 square. 25 is the answer. We can check now. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. That is 5 square. Understood? Next one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. See, number of odd numbers. First you should find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 square, that is 100. You can check whether it is correct or not. You should add these numbers. Surely you will get 1 square, 10 square, that is 100. Next one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23. Then that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers are, 12 odd numbers are there. So n square, n is 12, that is 12 square. 12 square is 144. Hope you all understood. Next question. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. This first odd number is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more needed. 13. You can check. What is the sum of these odd numbers? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 11 is 36. 36 plus 13 is 49. So it is correct. How we can express 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Next question. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. First 11 odd numbers we can write 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17 plus 19, 1 plus 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 21. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 numbers, how you can use the equation 11 numbers, that is n square, 11 square. 11 square is 121. So it is correct only. You can add these numbers and check whether it is correct or not. Understood? Equation you can use. That is the best way to, that is the easy way to find the easy way to express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Hope it is clear. Next question. How many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? This type of questions we discussed already. 12 and 30. First one, 12 and 30. What is the equation? Numbers between two perfect squares. Numbers between two perfect squares, that is 2n. There are 2n natural numbers between the two perfect squares. So 12 and 13. 2n is the equation. So first one n is 12. So 2 into 12, 24. Okay, the next question 25 and next one 25 and 26. So n is 25. So 2n is equal to 25 into 2, 50. There are 50 natural numbers between the square of 25 and 26. Last question 99 and 100. N is 99. So 2n is equal to 99 into 2, 198. That is, there are 198 natural numbers or non-perfect squares between the square of the number 99 and 100. Hope it is clear. Next topic is finding the square of a number. If 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. See, 1 digit number, it is very easy to find the square number. But if it is a 2 digit number or 3 digit, 4 digit, etc., it will be very difficult to find the square number. So, how we can find a 2 digit number 23? How we can find the square of 23? Without using actual multiplication. Actual multiplication, we can multiply 23 into 23. Without using actual multiplication, how we can find the square of 23? 23 square. 23 we can write 20 plus 3. The 23 square is 20 plus 3 the whole square. That is 20 plus 3 the whole square means 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. Okay, so 20 into 20 we should multiply these two with these two, and 3 you should multiply with 20 and 3. So 20 into 20 plus 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. Then this 20 into 20 plus 20 into 3. Then plus 3 into 20 plus 3 into 3. Then 20 into 20 is 400 plus 20 into 3 is 60 plus 3 into 20 again 60 plus 3 into 3 is 9. Then that is 400 plus 60 plus 60 is 120 plus 9. 400 plus 129, that is 9. Then 2. Then 5. 529 is the answer. 23 square is 529. This is the method. Without using actual multiplication, we can find the square of 23. Okay, hope it is clear. Next, consider this one, these numbers. See, 25 square, 35 square, 75 square, 125 square. See here, unit place digit is 5. If the unit place digit is 5, there is an easier method to find the square number. See here, first digit is 2. So 2 into next consecutive digit is 3. 2 into 3 hundreds plus obviously unit place 25 only. 5 into 5 25. So 2 into 3 hundreds means 600. 6 into 100 plus 25. So 25 square is 625. Okay, next one, 35 square. Same method we can use, that is first digit is 3, that is 3 into 4 hundreds, 3 into 4 hundreds plus 25. Unit place obviously 25 only. That is 1200 means 12 into 100, 1200 plus 25. It is 1225. You can check whether it is correct or not. Next one, 75 square. Same method we can use. 7, first digit is 7, next consecutive digit is 8. 7 into 8 hundreds plus 25. It is 7 into 8 56. 0 0 into 100 5600 plus 25. That is 5625. Hope it is clear. We can continue the next class. Take care.